It's coming, kings and queens. Let me give y'all a snippet of it real quick. Maybe just the acapella. Here we go.
DJ Roski on the beat. UGA. We making this right here for you. We know you've been going through a lot. It's time to rest. King Stevian's here. Yeah, no more struggling, no more striving. Time for you to do it for your tribe.
Get your level, you and your tribe steady striving. You can smile now since you ain't got you a house. Took your dad to the dentist and fixed up his mouth. Lawful money in the bank. Every month you gain interest for you, your sons, and certainly your infant. Love you like a brother, for we from different mothers. Made a promise to the tribe that I keep y'all all covered. Food in your cupboard. We're praying to the Lord when our cups get low. He pouring and we get more. No more water, we on the shore, free from Babylon. The whore that we full celebration more with the Neos and more. Just settle the score with no avenge or revenge. Cause it's time that we put these Europeans to an end. We've been fighting this war right here for a while. Now it's over and we won. Dear brother, it's time.
That's all y'all get to hear. That's all y'all get to hear. All right? So, there's 2 new singles coming. Okay, 2 new singles. And I am going to release one of the main singles from the last album, which is the Gold Album Part 2. And the track is produced by King Chino Mal. Y'all already heard the track. A lot of y'all heard the track. 7 C's. We're going to go ahead and drop that as a commercial single. Okay. And it's going to have a value on it. And y'all can get that once it comes out. But before that, we're going to drop this mixtape right here. And this is going to be a double mixtape. Y'all already heard all the other songs. Man, what is that song? The Bonnie and Clyde song. The one with the Beatles, I Want to Hold Your Hand. Man, I can go on and on about the tracks I done on that mixtape. But this right here comes from the new mixtape, which is produced by a old friend of mine, a DJ partner, DJ Roski. And we had this mixtape group called the Smokeout Shop. I don't smoke, didn't smoke at all, but that's just something he had. And he and his blood tribe is from the Boot. Y'all know what the Boot is? It's Louisiana. So that's going to be out. He got 11 tracks that he produced. They all are slamming. I just couldn't hold back. He's been sending me tracks for the last couple years, and I am built up. And he sent me like 3 or 4 tracks last month, and I told him, yeah, I'll get on it. But this is the first track that I did. Man, I want to play it so bad right now for y'all to hear it. The track, man, whew, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Let me see. Should I? Let me just go ahead and do it like this. All right. I'm going to do it like this. I hope y'all hear it. Let's rewind it back some.
DJ Roski on the beat. UGA. We making this right here for you. We know you've been going through a lot. It's time to rest. King Stevian's here. Yeah, no more struggling, no more striving. Time for you to do it for your tribe. You can smile now since you ain't got you a house. Took your dad to the dentist and fixed up his mouth. Lawful money in the bank. Every month you gain interest for you, your sons, and certainly your infant. Love you like a brother, for we from different mothers. Made a promise to the tribe that I keep y'all all covered. Food in your cupboard. We're praying to the Lord when our cups get low. He pouring and we get more. No more water, we on the shore, free from Babylon. The whore that we full celebration more with the Neos and more. Just settle the score with no avenge or revenge. Cause it's time that we put these Europeans to an end. We've been fighting this war right here for a while. Now it's over and we won. Dear brother, it's time. Dear brother, it's time that you smile. Cause God sent me to take
the weight off your chest, no more struggling and striving. Or being unaligned. Time to get your level, you and your tribe steady striving. Going through a lot, but we can finally rest. Cause God said you to get the weight off your chest, no more struggling and striving. Or being unaligned.
I just had to take the second verse out so y'all can hear how the beat sound by itself. Yeah. Hey, so on this album, I'm gonna do something special for Skeet Lottery Rich. I got your money for you. I'm gonna hit you up. Or if you get this video, please hit me up so I can discuss how you're gonna get it. We still were owed $30 for the whole amount that was fourth wall. Now there was 3 beings that donated to bring it to that. Okay, so there's like some of them didn't even tender what they supposed to tender back. So these kings and queens right here are stepping up to the plate and doing what's right, you know. And I appreciate Mother Melanie, Jafari L, King T No Mail. Yeah, those are the 3 that just donated funds to make things right. And I appreciate that. All right, but this album right here is, like I said, from my old homeboy, DJ partner. And he put some work in on all 11 of these songs. They are tight. When I tell you, whoa. And it's in line with the old school feel that I always did anyway with the mixtapes. Okay? But this time he just made his own beats with it and just put samples in like that. And so it plays right in part with this first part of the mixtape. So, yeah. So I'm going to ask everybody to donate on down what I'm doing on this one. Yes. This mixtape is only $35. That's it. $35. This is the physical copy now. The physical copy. And yes, I will be taking pre-orders for that starting today. You can do it through PayPal. And make sure you put double mixtape USB. Make sure your address is correct. Now, what this one's going to be backed up, it's going to be backed up with the crystals that King Dre Sear sent. It's going to have those on there. It's going to have pyrite that he sent. And it's going to have, let's see here. Let's do this one. Should I do brass? Yeah. I'm going to do it, brass or bronze? I'm doing bronze. I'm going to do bronze. And so, yeah. And the mixtape song that's dropping is called Smile. And that first one, I'm dropping that single there for 1 billion. And that's my gift to y'all. Okay. That's going to be available on the website. If you're not on the newsletter, if your email is not in our newsletter, please send me an email to cityside2006@gmail.com and ask to be added to the newsletter. Because when I send the newsletter, it's going to have all the downloads to this song right here. It's going to have the regular version, the instrumental, and the acapella. I'm also going to throw the lyrics in. Remember, that's a collectible. If y'all watch that video, use collectibles to pay your debts, all that. That's going to be in there. So, yeah. So, y'all know how to use it now. Okay? And if you don't, you need to go watch the last video. I broke that down too. All right? So, and then I got another single from the mixtape that's coming out. And that one's called, I think that one's called Booming, if I'm not mistaken. Let me go over here and look. Gotta go over here and look. I just put the tracks in order for this album. It's a mixtape album, but it's just like an album. It's called Booming? Yeah. The first track is called Booming. I'm going to just read the tracks from you. The next one's called Don't Stop. Third track on the album is called Smile. Fourth track's called Let's Go. Let Go. The fifth one is How Can I Ease the Pain? Y'all remember that song. And then the intermission is called Wasn't Me, Sir. And then, and you know I don't use the word sir, but the next one's called Be Careful. 8 is Ooh Child. Number 9 is One-on-One Teaching. Number 10 is Son. And then number 11 is the outro. So that's the album produced by DJ Roski. I will be taking donations for the single. Y'all hit it up at paypal.me/STT Estate Trust. Now, all funds is going to DJ Roski. I'm not taking nothing from this album. Okay? Now, Roski, he was having issues with a job and things like that. I think he just got a job, been working it, but I want to help the brother out. And, you know, he always been doing music. Never really made a career out of it, but I want to help this brother out. So I ask that y'all do donate for this single and the next single. You know, once y'all put in a donation now, that's for both singles, because both singles are making $1 billion. And y'all getting the lyrics for it as well. So that's a lot. So you got the music, you got the lyrics, you got the cover. You can use any one of those to settle your debt. And you get the 2 deeds. You get the ownership deed and you get the assignment deed. So that's 5 things y'all getting. Okay? So please, if you ain't on our newsletter, please send an email to cityside2006@gmail.com. Give me your name and your email address. And ask for on the header, the subject line, add to newsletter. Okay? And there's a lot of things I give out on there, like little trade secrets, things that you need to know to deal with Treasury, IRS, stuff like that. So you definitely want to get on that. If you're not a member joiner, that's something you need to join as well. Because if you're not watching the paid videos, monthly paid videos, or doing the pay-per-views, or just low on a budget, then this is the way to go right here, the newsletter. Okay? It's a free newsletter. You don't got to pay for it, nothing like that. But what I am asking for this track and the next track that's coming out called Boomin', which Boomin' is the first track, intro to the album. Sound like an intro. Yeah. It's going straight to DJ Roski. All right? So y'all be on the lookout for the album and these singles. In the next couple of days, I'll be dropping that on the newsletter to give enough people enough time to watch the video and hear this, so that way they can put their email address in at my email address, and then I get them on that list and get that track out to them. 1 billion for this one, 1 billion for the next one, and the album is going to be worth 200 billion. I'm thinking about 500, maybe 1 trillion, maybe 1 trillion. Some of y'all be like, oh, that ain't realistic. Yes, it is. If you watch my last video, you seen the numbers from the Treasury, so you know it's real. So, anyway, I am out. I will talk to y'all in the next video. If you got any appointments, make sure you book them. If you need to book other than Tuesday or Thursday or at any other time, make sure you do VIP. The VIP link and the booking link is in the description. All right, I'm out.